Welcome to Healthy Mission. In this video we'll talk about foods that help reduce body fat. Some foods can magically melt pounds, and that train of thought has been around for a long time. While exercise and a variety of wholesome foods will help you lose weight, there are foods that burn calories and suppress hunger. The following are a variety of foods that will help speed your metabolism and therefore burn fat. Foods such as raw spinach contain bulk. They fill a lot of space in the stomach because of their high water content, leaves less room for pastries and ice cream. They also contain iron, folate, calcium, vitamins A, B, C and E that helps you lose weight. Grapefruits will also help you lose weight fast. They are not magic, but they are powerful fat fighters due to their fiber content. In addition, without added sugar, a grapefruit has fewer calories than an orange of the same weight. Apples keep the doctors far and away. Eating several apples a day is a great way to lose weight. Hard fruits like apples take time to chew and fill you up. Another example of this is celery. You burn more calories chewing and digesting celery than what it actually contains. Celery also has vitamins E and C. It is a diet food that also helps you lose weight and should be on everyone's plate. Protein-packed legumes such as black beans, chickpeas, lentils are not just low in fat and rich in soluble fiber, they digest slowly and keep blood sugar levels steady. You will not feel like eating for a while. Calcium-rich foods and drinks such as low-fat milk can boost metabolism. It has been found that women who consume dairy products regularly tend to lose weight easily and have less body fat than those who do not. The omega-3 in fatty fish, such as mackerel, can curb overeating. The protein mixed with the fat in fish is also known to curb your overeating. You can eat all the strawberries you want and can never gain a pound. Strawberries, peaches, plums, and grapes come with cancer-fighting carotenoids and appetite-suppressing fiber. Eating these types of fruits daily will help you lose weight fast. Above are just some examples of foods that burn fat. Disciplining yourself to eat a proper diet and the right exercise program will help you reach your ideal weight in no time. Always remember, your health should be your daily mission. Healthy life, happy life. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It will help us grow and may allow us to keep you updated with more healthy related content. Please let us know in the comment section which of these foods do you implement in your daily diet. See you soon.